Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Orzo Pasta Salad with grilled halloumi. Orzo is a shortcut pasta and its shape and size resembles rice. It goes really well when prepared as a salad, and it's the perfect dish for summer picnics and barbecues. So let's begin the recipe now. Please do follow us on Facebook and tag us on Instagram. We love this pasta salad recipe. It's packed full of flavor and it's super healthy as well. So do give this recipe a try and catch you in the next one.